In this video, I'm going to show you how to view free games on itch.io quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to browse indie games, demos, or hidden gems without spending anything, this is the fastest way to filter everything down to free titles only. This is a simple tip, but it can save you a lot of time when you're searching for your next game. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and click Browse. This will take you to the main discovery page where you can explore different games, assets, and projects across the platform. Now that you're on the Browse page, look over to the left sidebar. You should see a set of filters that help you narrow down your search. Find the Price section, and under that, click Free. As soon as you select the free option, itch.io will update the results and show you only games that are available at no cost. This is the key step because it removes paid titles and helps you focus only on free content. You can now scroll through the list and explore whichever games catch your attention. If you want, you can combine the free filter with other categories like tags, genres, or platform options to make your search even more specific. That's especially useful if you're looking for a certain style of game, like horror, puzzle, RPG, or short experimental games. And that's it. Once you click Browse and then Free under Price, you can instantly view free games on itch.io. It's a quick and easy way to find new games without paying anything. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.